Pranati, Pranati, Pranati.
Okay, we are live now on Facebook.
Yes.
आपकी डॉटर को भी बोलो बाजू में बैठ जाने को. Okay, time to start.
Yes.
Janice, would you please do the prayer? अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय.
Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more, and more and more, and still yet more, till we become worthy of union with you. And help us all to hold fast to Baba's Daman till the very end. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai.
Jai Baba, everybody. At the onset, let me wish all of us a very, very happy Deepavali. मुझे एक चीज कहनी है, and that is from now on, our programs will be in English as well as Hindi. So जो लोग English नहीं समझ सकते हैं, उनके लिए ये कोई बाधा नहीं होगी. This will not be a impairment. They can also join in. वो कुछ भी सवाल जवाब जो भी कुछ करना है बेलाशक कर सकते हैं. So that is number one. Number two, I'm very happy to announce कि हमारे एक चीज मैं भूल गया. The most important thing of our meeting is to invite our beloved Meher Baba to come and join us for this meeting. We request Baba to not only join us, but also take over the entire proceedings of this meeting. जो भी कुछ यहाँ पे बोला जाएगा, वो इनकी मर्जी से, इनके मुताबिक जो भी कुछ बाबा चाहे वो ही होगा. And that is what always happens in this entire world. उनकी मर्जी के बिना एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिल सकता. That is my firm conviction. थोड़े गुड न्यूज़ है, थोड़े बैड न्यूज़ है. गुड न्यूज़ में हमारी सेंटर की और मेरी बॉस जैनिस का आज बर्थडे है. ऑल्सो रचना कराडिया, नीरज कराडिया की वाइफ, उसका भी आज बर्थडे है.
Many happy returns of the day.
We will sing a very happy birthday for both of them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janice and Rashna. Happy birthday to you. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. ये मैडम थैंक यू बोल रही है. Mr. Bhalekar has also joined in. Jai Baba Bhalekar Sahib. Okay.
Jai Baba Samji, Jai Baba.
Jai Meher Baba. So good to see you, sir.
Yeah, well, I just once.
Okay.
Jai Baba.
जय मेहर बाबा।
1 minute. Sam, excuse me.
हाँ
Who
जी,
is this? Who is this Janice? Can we visit her? Can we see her?
this
Or later?
Janice is she likes to do a disappearing act all the time, but we will try and present her.
But who is
2,
she?
3, and Avi just said that's it.
Janice, happy birthday, Janice.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, everybody.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Baba, for everything.
God bless you.
Thank you so
Baba
much.
bless you.
Jai Baba.
Dilmer Bola, so nice to see you.
Jai Baba.
Like a
Jai
Tonka
Baba
Bola.
Dilmer.
Jai Baba. We are all there from Pune Center.
Wow,
Right.
wow, wow. One good thing that has come out of this, क्या कहते हैं ये इंटरनेट ऑनलाइन के जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है, the distance does not matter.
Matter.
पूना, मुंबई,
All over.
दुबई, इंग्लैंड, कनाडा, टोरंटो, सब लोग यहाँ पे जुड़ जाते हैं. The common thread is Baba's love.
True.
That is what binds us together. Before I forget, during this week, we lost 2 dear Baba lovers. One was a gentleman called Mr. Rohinton Hakim, and another very important person from your Pune,
Hiran. Kaidal.
actually Nagar,
Sunita Thadi.
Sunita Thade, अपने Thade साहब के mother, they both went to Baba during this week. So let us hold a minute's silence in memory of these 2 departed souls. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. उनकी आत्मा जहाँ भी हो बाबा उन पर नजर बनाए रखे. That's all that we can pray for. Okay, अभी मैडम कविता एन्नुलू, she is basically a housewife, but she plays a very important part in running the center at Pune. She participates in prasads, decorations, receiving guests, etc., etc., etc. And today I'm very happy to say that she has agreed to share her experiences about वो बाबा के पास कैसे आए, ये सब स्टोरीज वो हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे. So over to you, madam. Go ahead. कविता जी, जय बाबा.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba to you all. Jai Baba. मैं साउथ इंडियन, मैं मिस्टर बसवराज एनएलओ से शादी करके पूना आई हूँ. मेरे को बाबा के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था, नील, 0. तो जैसा शादी करके आई घर पे, तो घर में देखती हूँ कि कोई मंदिर वगैरह नहीं था. जस्ट एक छोटा मंदिर था जिसमें बाबा का फोटोग्राफ, एक गणपति एंड लक्ष्मी माता का स्टैचूज थे. मैंने बोली ये क्या, इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं. तो भी ऐसे रोके फाइन, क्योंकि साउथ इंडियंस में पूजा पाठ टू मच हो जाता है, तो ऐसे चलो नथिंग हियर. देन ऐसा होते होते उठते बैठते वो लोग सिर्फ जय बाबा कहते हैं. एंड वो लोग बाबा के थ्रू मिस्टर मुनिराज जी फ्रॉम जबलपुर, दे केम टू नो अबाउट बाबा. सो इन दैट वे हम लोग थोड़े दिन आते थे जाते थे. माय हस्बैंड मेरे को आउटिंग कहाँ पे लेके जाते थे? टू गुरु प्रसाद. He used to go to गुरु प्रसाद, वहां पे बैठते थे. मैं बोलती थी इतने मंदिर सब छोड़ के ये क्या इधर आके बैठते हैं? फिर वहां पे थोड़ा क्लीनिंग बीनिंग जो नहीं होता था he used to do. मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत डिसअपॉइंट होता था कि कैसा घर मेरी मम्मी ने ढूंढा. फिर लेटर ऑन नेक्स्ट राउंड ही टुक मी टू बाबा हाउस. बाबा हाउस में आई वॉज हैप्पी, क्योंकि देर सब लोग थे, दे यूज्ड टू एंटरटेन मी, दे यूज्ड टू रिसीव मी एंड ऑल, बट आई नेवर न्यू मच अबाउट बाबा बाय देन। वो हो गया। देन वी यूज्ड टू गो टू नगर। नगर में तभी कोई शेल्टर नहीं था, देयर वाज नो शेल्टर। लोग पानी के लिए थोड़ा फेंट हो जाते थे। तभी मैं बहुत पतली थी, तो मेरे को लगता था अभी मेरा टर्न कभी आएगा। वो भी चलो दर्शन करके बाहर आ जाते थे। बाहर आने के बाद दे यूज्ड टू हैंड ओवर वन सोप एंड नैपकिन टू मी टू गिव टू मोहम्मद जी। अभी वहां पे लाइन में वापस मैं बोली ये क्या, समवेयर वेयर आई एम। फिर वो मम्मा जी की जैसा अंदर जाती थी, यूज्ड टू अब्यूज, आई डोंट नो, वो लैंग्वेज भी नहीं समझ में आता था। वो देख के हम बाहर आ जाते थे। ऐसा काफी टाइम हो रहा था। तो हमको बाबा के हाउस से खबर आया कि मेहरा मणिबेन वेकेशन में, दे यूज्ड टू बी इन पूना क्लब फॉर 2 months। तो वो बोले 3 families आर अलाउड टू बी इन गुरु प्रसाद। तो मेरे हस्बैंड को तो दिवाली से भी ज्यादा था। He went one day before, he started cleaning and everything. मैं बोली what's wrong with this man? He can engage somebody to clean. Then I थोड़ा ego and ये था मेरे में, तो मैं जाके गार्डन में बैठती थी। He used to do cleaning everything. फिर नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग मैं, मेरे बच्चे एंड मेरे हस्बैंड, बिफोर टाइम वी यूज्ड टू बी देयर। तो मेहरा मणिबेन ऑल मंडली यूज्ड टू कम देयर। So Mehrama used to go in first. She used to touch Guru Prasad, the entrance first. She used to touch and say something. I was thinking, why is she touching the ground here? तभी तो मैंने पूछा नहीं था. Later on, I asked my husband. He said, this is the floor where it was in Baba's room. So we were very happy to. फिर उसके बाद हम अंदर बैठते थे, गालन वगैरह करके. They used to do the prayer and आरती. उसके बाद में we used to sit. Mehrama used to sit on the chair. I used to sit next to her. My children used to go around. All these gents used to stand out. So I was just looking at her. They were so beautiful. उनके हाथ ऐसा soft cotton लगते थे. So I used to get attracted towards them. तो मैं उनके पैरों के पास बैठी जैसे सोच रही थी, तो उतने में प्रसाद का प्लेट आया था, तो मनी बहन ने मेरे हाथ में दिया, तो मैंने मेहरा को दी आपके। तो बोली नहीं, प्रसाद इज गिवन टू यू, फर्स्ट यू ईट देन यू शेयर इट विद अदर्स। आई सेड ओके। फिर मेहरा में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लेते थे, सब एक चिप्स या कुछ शी यूज्ड टू टेक। फिर उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट राउंड, मेहरा may had come over there. She asked me, Kavita, can you make a meal for me? I was wondering, Mehra Mai and asking me to make a meal. उन्होंने बोला मुझे कुछ खाना, सॉरी उन्होंने बोला कविता मेरे लिए कुछ खाना बना सकती हो क्या? तो I said, बाहर से मेरे हस्बैंड बोलते हैं zip your lips, zip your lips. He used to say for everything you should say yes. तो ठीक है, हाँ बोल दिया था। तो उसके बाद में we went home. My husband would say, servant is not allowed till the tiffin goes back to them. I said, Terry, I need their help. He says, no, you only have to cook. You need some help, you take it from me. Then I used to make some breakfast, some non-veg, all items. And in time, we used to give that. In the next round, Mehra Mai asked me, Kavita, can you make that Bombil ka techa? I said, Bombil ka? I never knew what was Bombil, first of all. I said, again, my husband would say, not to talk. I said, okay, fine. Then after they left, I said, Basu, I don't know what is that Bombil. He would say, no, I will tell you, I will tell you. My sister-in-law said, okay, I'll make that for you and give. You can give it to them. My husband says, no, nothing doing, only she has to cook. And that time we never had a mixie also. We had to do that on the stone there. I was so wondering, but yet I made that and I gave it to her. They were so happy to have it. They used to like my cooking non-veg. Then we used to go to Baba's house. They used to invite us. They all used to sit. I used to enjoy their singing. And Mehramai, whatever फरमाइश करते थे, सब लोग गाते थे. रुस्तम जी, सौरभ जी, मिस्टर चोपड़ा, अलुक सब. तो we used to have good time. फिर वहां के बाद they used to call us to पूना क्लब. वो बोलते थे पूना क्लब में आ जाओ बच्चों को लेके. तो हम जाते थे पूना क्लब. तो वहां पे मेहरा में मैं बच्चे एक बाजू बैठते थे. मनी बैन used to talk to my husband and outside. तो वो लोग they used to offer cold drinks for the children. After some time they used to call for ice cream also. मैं सोचती थी ये क्या है, लोग पहले ये पूछ रहे दे रहे फिर immediately cold drinks. तभी भी I used to be quiet. फिर मेहरा माई, when she used to come from Nagar to Pune, she used to bring so many gifts for my children and myself. I used to feel so happy to receive them. Tabhi I never knew those sugar cubes and all, chocolates, mango, and eraser, pencils, clips, everything to my children. Their blessings, today I have such children. I have 2 daughters. They both are well educated, all because of them. I think it is Baba's wish. I don't know. Then after that, my husband would say, Kavita, always talk Baba, always talk Baba. I used to say, okay. Then later he took me to the Pune Center. In Pune Center, I came across Hira Bandelu and Ramakrishna Uncle, Homai, and Mr. More. They are the people who made me the finishing in Pune Center. Ramakrishna Uncle used to give me the authority to do anything in the center. He used to agree with me. I never used to do any jadoo and all that. But in center, down to earth, Baba brought me. I never used to pick up somebody's cup also. But there I have learned everything in Baba Center. I used to be so happy to do things for others. Previously, I was not like that. I had a bit attitude and all that. But after Baba only, I came down to earth. Then after that, my husband used to read all books and bhajan. He used to ask me to read the books. I used to have enough work at home and the children and all that. So I used to read all small books, not like big books. Then to Ramakrishna Uncle used to say, it's okay. What she's doing is doing service to Baba. We used to be happy. And Ramakrishna Uncle used to always praise my husband because he used to speak Marathi very clearly. And whereas I never knew Marathi. फिर उसके बाद में I'm sorry.
नहीं आपको मराठी अभी भी आती है कि नहीं?
आती है मगर अच्छा नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
ओरिजिनली कहाँ के हैं आप? साउथ इंडिया में?
हैदराबाद से.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Father from Bangalore, mother from Hyderabad. So mother tongue. So I used to talk. फिर वैसे ही Sunita Thade, she said, Kavita, come to Nagar to do service for Baba. I said, yes, I don't mind. But मेरे को पता नहीं था what type of work I have to do there. Then she took me, she said, you have to stand for 4 hours in the queue. You have to do the cutting. I said, yes, I don't mind. But standing there, I used to feel later on, I started enjoying that to do it. Full enjoyment. Then my husband used to say, I used to leave my children and husband at home. 3 days service, I used to be at Nagar. This is how I came across Baba. Today, I'm 100% I believe Baba. I had 2 daughters who had to get married. They used to say in Hyderabad, without dowry, you can't get your daughter married. So my husband said, no, or Baba said not to sell your child. Baba said, search for a Baba Premi. So my parents were not for it. So we said, no, we won't give. So wherever I used to go to see the groom for the child, I used to have one Baba photograph in my hands. Without it, I never used to move anywhere. I got such a family who did not ask for a sari also. not his sari. They said, your choice, yours, my, हमारा choice हमारा. हमारा खर्चा हमको, आपके खर्चा आपको. तो इतनी अच्छी हो गई. सच्ची मैं बोलती, बाबा को जिसने पकड़ा, he is always there. He does miracles, but we does not know what miracles he does. Second daughter also, she went into intercaste. We went and asked, he went and asked my husband at Samadhi, can we go for this intercaste marriage? That is Punjabi and South Indian. Yeah. He always used to consult only with Baba. He used to go to Nagar. He used to take the photographs and sit there and ask. He used to get some confirm this thing. Then only he used to say yes to others. Then we got even that marriage done. I don't know how to thank Baba. I just don't know how to thank. But both the daughters married. Both are double graduates, doing very well. I've lost my husband on Amar Tithi Day. Baswaraj. Baba and Basu, just 10 minutes difference. We lost him on Amar Tithi Day. Then we had one East-West gathering at Guru Prasad, 2014. That is Pune Center only organized it. But it was Mr. Enelu who arranged everything. By then only he was weak at his health, I feel. He did the complete work. I was getting the stage decorated. All the chairs were put behind. So he was wiping them. Children told me, see, auntie, look at uncle, what he's doing. I turned back and saw he was just wiping the chairs. I said, you leave it. I'll send some children to do it. He won't listen. He was a Baba Premi, I should say. So after that, I went running to him with all the children. So I told Basu, what are you doing? You leave it, we'll do it. Sorry, we do not know on which chair Baba is going to sit here. So they will not do perfectly. So he was wiping all the chairs. So I said, I don't know. After the few days, just I think 10 days or so, he went to Baba. That was on Amar Tithi Day. Just before he could go, he was only for 24 hours. After that, he left. Chalo, I took 2 years to get along. Then after that, Moneyben, she used to say, no, Moneyben wasn't. Parin Masi, Rustam Swarajji, they were in Nagar. They used to call Mr. Enelo Appa. They used to call him Appa. So they called up and they said, till we come, you're not going to take Appa. So they came all the way and they did the prayers. After that only we left the place. Like Parin Masi, she too was a great loving, caring lady for Enelu. She used to wait for him every day evening to give him a cup of tea. One day Enelu was not keeping well. So she said, why is he not coming? Though somebody told him he is not keeping well. All the way she came home with one taviz, जिसमें बाबा के बाल थे. वो लेके आए और वो तावीज बसु के गले में बांध के बोले, कुछ नहीं होएगा, यू टेक केयर. और हम जब भी बाबा के घर जाते थे, बाबी हमको एक ऊदी लगाते थे, and she had some bottle of water, just a tip she used to put over us like. तो ये these are the things जो हमको इतना टच हो गया था बाबा के घर से, गुरु प्रसाद, then Pune Center. But मेरा favorite place was, first it was Baba House, then Guru Prasad, then Pune Center. Now I'm fully with it. So these are there's so many minute things which we came across with. If you would like to ask me something, then I'm ready to answer you.
When are you coming to Mumbai?
Whenever Baba permits me and whenever you people call me, I would love to come.
जब भी आप आए तो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि हमारे बॉम्बे सेंटर को विजिट करें, बिकॉज इट विल बी नाइस टू हैव यू.
Yes, definitely, definitely. I would be loving to come and see all along with my friends from Pune Center. We'll make a group and come to you all.
एक और रिक्वेस्ट, वो आपकी जो असिस्टेंट है उसको जरा बुलाइए, तुम्हारी डॉटर. वी वांट टू से हेलो टू हर.
Her name is Pranati.
Yes, hello.
नेम इज व्हाट?
My name is Pranati.
प्रार्थी?
Pranati.
प्रणति?
Yes.
You married to the Punjabi?
No,
No, that is my younger sister who's married a Punjabi.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके.
he married a South Indian.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, एक सवाल आपसे पूछना है, जस्ट वेरी ब्रीफ क्वेश्चन. आपको बाबा क्या लगते हैं पर्सनली, विदाउट हेजिटेशन से? अगर नहीं
Yes.
पसंद है, हाँ.
No. I will tell you how it is. See, being born to parents who are already in service of Baba.
जरा हिंदी
what
भी
happens
बोलना.
is
हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा. हाँ,
Sorry?
थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी भी बोलना.
अच्छा, हिंदी, okay. I will try my best. अच्छा, तो जैसे मैंने कहा, being born to parents जो पहले से बाबा की सर्विस में है, so naturally वो एक by birth you inculcate the respect as children पहले तो, but faith develop होना is हर individual का अपना aspect है. So I have memories of my father, like my mother said, saying जय बाबा for everything. So ठीक है, हम बच्चे थे तो जय बाबा बोलते ही थे, but no, जैसे हम grow हुए, mature, when we started maturing and we started growing is जैसे हमारी शादियां हुई and all, and then I started to reflect back and think that why did my father say Jai Baba? It was because his faith in Baba, and he always felt ke Baba was there to protect him, to guide him.
Hindi.
That is something what I picked up, and then I never did a prayer or
Heaven
मैंने
o'clock prayer.
मतलब हम ऐसे नहीं कि जैसे जिस तरह से हमारे पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व थे हम उतना इन्वॉल्व नहीं थे, बट माई फेथ ग्रू टिल डेट. इफ आई एम अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है विच जो मैं नहीं शेयर करती हूँ या नहीं बोलती हूँ, देयर आर two people, I mean two people to whom I look at. One is Meher Baba, do what you feel is right. Secondly, my father, daddy, look around for us. That's it. So that is my faith in Baba.
Very, very touching, very nice.
Thank you.
And we had
Don't,
we
please
used
carry
to
on,
do
don't stop. Don't stop, carry on. Thank you,
Yeah,
बोल के भाग मत जाओ.
हाँ. नहीं तो
We used to do 7 o'clock prayer.
हाँ,
always.
तो ये जो जैसे हम छोटे थे तो मतलब जब प्रेयर करना हो 7 बजे का, जब तक हम छोटे थे, जो भी पूना सेंटर में बाबा का बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे जो भी ओकेजन्स होते थे, यस, वी वर अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ इट एज चिल्ड्रन. वी यूज्ड टू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. लेकिन जैसे हम बढ़ते गए, यू नो, we became busy with our lives doing our things and we became distant from Baba Center. But like my mother said, I can very recently share one incident. I mean, it's a little थोड़ा silly है, लेकिन मम्मी बोल दिया कि हाँ तुम लोग तो बिलीव ऐसे यू नो ये नहीं करते हो बाबा में, और ये ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको नहीं पता हम बाबा को कितना रेजोनेट करते हैं, हाउ मच वी फॉल बैक ऑन हिम. आई डोंट नीड टू टेल द वर्ल्ड. हाँ, बट व्हेन आई फील आई हैव द नीड, आई ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ हिम. सो जिस तरह के मेरी पर्सनालिटी है और माई स्पिरिचुअल सेंस इज, आई डोंट ट्राई टू शो इट, बट डेफिनेटली यस. I mean, I may not have the knowledge of his Baba's life much, जैसे कि आप सीनियर्स को पता है, और शायद मैं उतना नहीं करती हूँ, but definitely एक चीज मैं बोल सकती हूँ, my faith must be 100 times more. So, you know, people do judge you sometimes के अरे आप सेंटर नहीं आते, आपने तो छोड़ दिया, आप ये नहीं करते हो. It's okay, life has, you know, बहुत कुछ होते हैं, but definitely faith in Baba will always be there. Not only to me, I think this may be something that मैं अपने शायद बच्चों को भी पास कर दूंगी, you know.
Exactly what we want.
Yeah.
कि ये जो आपके मदर, मैं एंड ऑल दी सीनियर पीपल, हमारे जाने की तैयारी हो गई है.
नहीं, और एक इंसिडेंट मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
जी जी,
जब इनकी
बोलिए
शादी
बोलिए.
फिक्स हुई थी, जब ये बड़ी वाली की शादी फिक्स हुई थी, इसके फादर इन लॉ, he came across Baba's and he brought that Baba's photograph and kept in the house, a very
अरे
big
वाह.
one. Yeah. And अभी ये जो पंजाबी फैमिली है,
जी,
they all say जय बाबा.
वाह.
As we enter in, we come out, my son-in-law, all in-laws, they all say Jai Baba.
सबको कन्वर्ट कर दिया आप लोगों ने.
और हम जब बच्चे लोग थे ना, 7 children were together and neighbors and all. NLU used to make all of them stand and say the prayer along with him. He used to make them say this beloved God. So till today, they all remember those children married, having children. They do say, Auntie, till today we remember that 7 o'clock in the evening. We do say the prayer. Morning and evening, myself and my husband, we used to. Till today, we are doing it. And she too joins with her children. She's got 2 sons.
अरे वाह.
Even they used and yeah.
God bless you all.
Thank you, thank you.
And all I can say is, बाबा को एक तुम्हारे कंपेनियन की तरह रखिए.
True.
यानी कि वो गॉड शॉट तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें हैं. Keep him as your best friend, as your companion. उनके साथ चटर पटर बातें करते रहिए. बाबा खाना खाने को आइए, बाबा मेरे साथ इधर आइए, उधर जाइए, ये वो. उससे फायदा क्या होगा? What will you achieve when you do that? He will enter your heart, or he will prompt you कि नहीं, ये करना सही है, ये करना गलत है, इधर जाओ, उधर मत जाओ, etc etc etc. He will be your guide.
Yes, 100%.
ये जो आपके मदर ने बोला आपके पिताजी के बारे में कि हमेशा उनको पूछे बिना वो कुछ नहीं करते थे, इवन आपकी शादी भी उनके पूछे बिना नहीं हुई थी. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट करने की जरूरत है. कि you need not do all this prayers and this and that, शोर बकोर and all that. जैसे कि आपने बोला सेंटर पे भी खास जाती नहीं, तो इट्स ओके. जाएंगे तो अच्छा है, नहीं जाएंगे तो भी अच्छा है. जाने से क्या फायदा होता है वो भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जाने से फायदा ये होता है कि यू मीट लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जो बाबा तुम्हारे हृदय में बसते हैं वही बाबा उनके भी हृदय में बसते हैं. सो व्हेन द टू ऑफ यू एम्ब्रेस ईच अदर एंड मीट,
Yeah.
that exchange happens, और बाबा खुश होते हैं. You see, it makes him happy. My father always used to say कि दुनिया में जो करना है वो करो, लेकिन करने से पहले अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के पूछ लो कि ये बाबा को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. अगर द आंसर इज यस, तो फिर दुनिया जो भी कहे doesn't matter. Just go ahead and do it. And the other way, अगर कितना भी tempting होवे, but if the answer is no from Baba,
Yes.
try to avoid it. This is all that I have learned in all this long life of mine. मैंने भी बहुत दुनिया के थप्पड़ खाए हैं.
Yes, without it कुछ चलता ही नहीं.
हाँ, and उसमें मजा आती है, वो मिठास है, बाबा के प्रेम. Sorry.
It's like finishing ourselves.
Yes, yes, yes. Baba is nothing but love.
Yeah.
Nothing but love. और वो उनका प्रेम is unconditional.
Unconditional.
ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम मेरा कहना मानो तो मैं तुम्हें प्यार करूं, नहीं तो नहीं. इनफैक्ट जब भी मैं डिसोबीडियंट, उसका आई एम वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिसोबीडियंट फॉलोअर्स ऑफ मेहर बाबा, लेकिन वो मुझे कान पकड़ के खींच के जरूर लेके आते हैं रास्ते पे, बिकॉज ही इज आवर इटर्नल फादर. दुनिया के सब लोग, रिश्तेदार, सगे वाले, मदर फादर, जो भी है, एक ना एक दिन कैसे न कैसे छोड़ के चले जाएंगे. ही विल नेवर एवर लीव अस. हम लोग ये जो प्रेयर करते हैं ना कि अंत अंत तक प्रियतम बाबा का दामन पकड़े रहे. व्हाट इज दैट अंत? दैट अंत, अंत के मतलब है एंड. एंड इज नॉट ऑफ दिस लाइफ. इस लाइफ में मर गए वो उसका कुछ नहीं. Until we merge in him, हमारे जो भी कुछ संस्कार है, लेन देन है, जो भी हमको खत्म करने के हैं, all that will be looked after by him. मेरा एक बाबा का फेवरेट कोट जो है वो यही है कि once you become mine, जब तुम मेरे हो जाते हो, I dare not, care not, फिर मेरी मजाल नहीं कि मैं तुम्हारी संभाल नहीं करूं. हर एक चीज पे तुम्हारे पे नजर रखेंगे और हर एक चीज पे तुमको मदद करेंगे. एक्चुअली ये मेरा भाषण का टाइम नहीं था, ये आप लोगों का.
नहीं, but it's good. No, true.
It just came out from my heart and that's what I wanted.
तो रिसेंटली क्या हो गया, एक दिन मैं कहीं तो जा रही थी, प्रशांत वाज अलोंग विथ मी.
अच्छा.
तो हाँ, मेरे को कभी ऑटो भी नहीं मिलता है ना, तो आई फोल्ड लाइक दिस, अल्लाह बला टलो, बाबा खुदाई, बाबा खुदाई. Yeah, it's laughing, but see, when I get into the auto, I tell Baba, get in, and I sit. So I was telling Prashant, so he's saying, अरे कविता, क्या बार बार तुम बाबा को इतना सताते हो? तो मैं बोली, बाबा ने बसु को ले लिया, तो मैं बाबा को ही पकड़ू ना. Wherever, every step, I take his name. I say, Baba, be along with me. Baba, guide me. The route also sometimes I miss. I say, Baba, please guide me. Please guide me. He does that to me. Really, I'm telling you.
And unfailingly, he will guide you. वो हमेशा आपको guide करेगी.
True. Even my children believe that, and sometimes they leave me alone to go. Otherwise, they don't let me go. They say, no, you don't. I say, no, Baba is there with me. You don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
So there are so many little things. Meheramai had given me a sari, which she wore it.
अरे वाह.
Yeah, I have that. She's given me beautiful batches also with all the stones. Amartiti mein, when I used to wear that, everybody, I don't know what is to attract them. They used to ask me, where did you buy this? Where did you buy this? So I used to feel bad also to say that Meheramai has given me, because it shows your proudness, no? I said, nah, I got it. I got it. That's what I used to say. So I have many things like that. बाबा के घर में के अभी जो फ्लोरिंग चेंज हुआ था, उसमें का वन पीस Parin Masi had given me. I have even that.
Oh.
Yeah. And Mama ji, Ari, I didn't tell you one incident. My husband, once he had been to Nagar, he went all alone. Just I told you, for everything he goes to Nagar, he consults. Then he went to see Muhammad ji. Muhammad Master. Yeah. He was taking, the caretaker has taken him inside. So Mamaji saw him like that, and he told that maid who was standing there, Kurchian. So he put the chair in front of him. Basa, he said. Basa. तो बसु थोड़ा नर्वस होके he sat, उस पे बैठ गए थे, मगर थोड़ा नर्वस थे. फिर वो उन्होंने पूछा ये पूना से आए, मतलब माइती है, मतलब माइती है। तो फिर पूछे देखे इन्ना कितनी करती,
हाँ क्या?
इनको कितना समझ में आता अबाउट द बाबा एंड ऑल।
ओ
ही सेड इतकिच इतकिच।
ओ
हाँ, then what happened, he was sitting watching, he was just playing with those napkins. So one of that person, he said, give him this, tu gabbas, tu gabbas. So he picked up one napkin he was holding, he took Basu's hand in his hand, 3 times he hit him on the hand,
वाह.
and he gave him that napkin and to kishitu, kishitu. So he said, Atatu Garija, Atatu Garija. Even that is there, that napkin.
How fortunate, how very fortunate your husband.
See, I'm telling you now, he was a very good soul. He was the true Baba Premi, I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
He was a very true Baba Premi. Because of him, we are following. After me, I hope my children also continue the same.
वो that is one of the
Baba's lookout.
reasons, but वो आपके पूर्व जो भी कुछ है संस्कार whatever in connection with Baba, so उसमें वो हो गए. आप आगे
देखो ना, मेरे को कभी महाराष्ट्र, nothing I knew about it. How Baba brought me here. So anyway, I'm quite happy in Baba's service.
जी जी.
My health, whatever it permits, I do everything to Baba, that all my friends also know about it.
Yes.
And Mr. Balekar also knows. Anita Balekar is there. I don't know how many of them are there.
Sam, can I say something?
Please
Oh,
go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Yeah,
She's the
I'm
one
right
who
here
brought me.
and here. So I want to say that we have, like, Pune Center has many programs, and one of them is our 7 days of what you call it, Baba's birthday. So birthday ma, every time she used to be in charge of the catering till this young committee came up, and now, and I know now she's more in Hyderabad and all, but otherwise she, please talk about that, Kavita aunty, how you organize, how keeping everybody happy, 7 days, 7 prasad meals at night, to give, and with
Instead of me
everybody.
saying, I think it will be better if you tell. Because
What
it
I
will be as though
नहीं तो
I'm
अनीता
boasting
जी आप
myself.
बताइए. Yeah, and with that patience and calm, ये तिखट है, ये पेट नहीं भरेगा, ये, it is Baba's prasad, but we have people like, different, Pepsi used to say, different people have different minds. So I know that Kavita ji, auntie used to handle it with such poise and such grace. We have to learn from her. No gussa, no angry, just manage. I wanted to share that.
One thing I want to ask her is कि वो हैदराबादी बिरयानी देते थे कि प्रसाद में?
मैंने मेहरा माई को बाबा के घर पे सबको खिलाया है.
Not in the center.
रामकृष्ण अंकल तो एवरी थर्सडे.
कविता जी, आई डोंट नो अगर आपको मालूम है या नहीं, but Dilmer's mother also from Hyderabad.
Yes, I know that. Dilmeher, she's the gem. Nobody has
I'm
to
also
say
from
anything
Hyderabad,
about her.
technically.
She is a gem. She's the one who brought me now.
एक दिन ये लुच्ची को पकड़ के बैठाने का है इधर. I want to call her.
Yes, definitely.
Perhaps next Thursday or Thursday after next.
Yes, she's got the original knowledge.
No, Baba, I've already come.
She's got original knowledge, and she's got so many things at home. She's got many things.
Yes, I know.
By Baba's hand,
Okay, anybody has any questions? कुछ पकड़ना है इनको पूछने के लिए? Okay.
I just want to tell that Muniraj ji jo hai, because I am from also Jabalpur. So since my childhood, I had contact with Muniraj ji, and who is a relative from whom Kavita ji heard about Meher Babu.
Oh, acha.
Yeah.
Through him only we came.
We are very old contacts.
Yes.
Archana ji wants to ask something. Go ahead, Archana ji.
Yeah, Baba Kavita ji, I
Yes.
had a little question. You
Yes.
exude so much composure. So I wanted to know, was your nature the same before you
Yes,
came to
yes.
Baba? That means before you got married? Or
Yes.
has a change come over you since you've come to Baba?
Yes, after coming to Baba, I have changed. Before that, I was not this person because our bringing up was different. So we would not bow down to anything. We never did any kind of work at childhood. After coming to Baba's service, I've come to just touch the earth.
Lovely. It shows you exude a lot of it. You are
Yes, yes.
seems to be a very
It's
calm
only
and yeah, even the way you speak, you exude it all. It's all Baba's doing, seriously.
that's it. That's
Thank
it.
thank
See,
you.
mine is not book written or anything. It is what went through in my life.
Right.
That is what I could talk and I can answer for that. Book reading and all, I could not. Dil Meher would do it. Mr.
Right.
Balekar
I
would
will.
do it. Yeah.
Straight
No, I
from your
wanted to,
heart.
I remembered one more incident. Sorry, Archana,
bolo,
you go
bolo.
ahead, then I'll tell you.
No issues. You can carry on. Thank you, Jai
Okay.
Baba.
Some with your due permission.
Please go ahead.
Are once in Baba Center, we ladies group always put up a 10-minute performance during the Baba birthday times. So we had done that story of, that Machi Baba's, mother wanted the fish and then how Baba, the Pilari came and took it away and all. So Kavita ji was Baba. And there were people who would say, okay, how would she, this thing and how, but believe you me, everybody stood up and it was, we could see that Baba's presence on her face or jo, aapko yaad hai, Anita? Jo, even Namrata and all were there. It was as if, she was radiant. Pachi Amna, this Amravati program that we went to and the Pune Center had kept their bhajan and the camera was spanning all of them. Again, believe you me, it was waiting at Kavita Auntie's on her face for longer than everybody else. She made everybody else jealous.
एक सवाल पूछना है कविता जी. When you acted as Baba, जब आपने बाबा का किरदार किया, तो उसके पहले आपको कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज हो गए थे या फीवर या हेडेक या ऐसा कुछ?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड क्योंकि आधे लोग बोलते थे शी कैन डू इट, आधे लोग बोलते थे नो शी कैन नॉट. सो आई वाज अ बिट नर्वस आल्सो. ये जो अनीता बालेकर जो बैठी है, शी हैड ब्रॉट द मुस्टैच फॉर मी.
अच्छा.
एंड गाड़ेकर जी का जो कुर्ता पैजामा पहना था मैंने,
अरे वाह.
I think that blessings I must have got it. I was so happy.
She looked perfect. Because I still remember. So she emanated Baba actually.
Wow.
I still
It is all
remember.
because of Dil Meher. Dil Meher is the one who taught me how to and all. She sent me few Baba's
we all
videos.
learn from each other.
Yeah.
बाबा करवाते हैं हमेशा. नम्रता सोते, कुछ सवाल पूछना है नम्रता को.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Also reminded me, Dil Meher auntie, you were playing Meher Baba 3 years before, and I was playing Raj
in Akshay's play. Correct. Oh, we Pune Center people do our own little, not as professional as Bombay Center, but we do our little bit.
Little bit. True.
Yeah, so
You can't compare with them.
Yeah, you were
ask,
Airaj.
yeah, I wanted to ask how did Basu uncle came to Meher Baba's contact?
Because of Munir, his brother-in-law, Muniraji, jo from Jabalpur.
Mhm.
He's his brother-in-law. He is the one who brought NLO to Baba. All full family.
Okay.
He's the one. And Balekar uncle can tell you more better. Balekarji knows Mr. Muniraj very well. He is the one who brought this NLO family to Baba.
But he must have got some kind of experience that he was so much
Yes.
attached.
He
And,
played, yeah, Mr. Muniraj played cards also with Baba. Baba made him scrub his nose to the floor. He wanted to leave his family and come back to Baba, but he said, no, you're married, having children, on whom you will live and come. Yeah, Muniraji has got more this thing with Baba.
No,
And
Kavita
this is
auntie.
the main song and all that he's there, na? Muniraj.
Kavita auntie, what Namrata is saying, okay, what was that thing turning point for Basu uncle to believe?
he actually dedicated his life to Baba and was living.
At the sight of Baba, Basu got flat to Baba. As a kid, I think he was just 13, 14 years or something. I don't know the exact age, but he said, as we saw Baba look, they all fell for him. And the stories what Muniraji used to tell them about Baba. And people used to come from there. In Guru Prasad, they have seen him actually. So, Basu uncle to Namrata, I don't have to tell you.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
He's an inspiration.
Yes, silently.
Right.
He was a silent lover, and
Yes.
he died on the same day, 31st January. That was Amar Tithi. So that's a great
Fortunate soul.
acknowledgement. Yeah.
Very fortunate soul.
And that too in morning time.
Just 10-15 minutes ka difference tha, Namrata.
Yes, that's what we were praying.
Yes, you all knew that.
Praying there.
Okay, now.
But I'll tell you, Mr. All these friends, as they came to know, they left their duties, they took the permission and came running. They all came running. I just can't forget all that. All of them. First they visited Mr. Enelu, then next day morning. You won't believe the way he was being sent. Others who have visited can tell you. The bhajans were given to him. All whom he used to love. They used to sing lovely bhajan throughout for 2 hours. After Mr. Rustamji and Saurabji came, they did the prayers. And one more thing I want to mention, please. This is more important. When Mr. Enelu expired, before he could expire only, after both the daughters got married, we used to talk among both of us, one will go one day. So both can go together, that's well and good. So we used to say, no rituals should be done. No rituals should be done. Because Baba used to say, once the Atma is nikal gaya, तो body किस काम का? तो उसके लिए तुम ये पूजा पाठ पुजारी and all. So when that happened, nearing 40 people had come down from Hyderabad. My family people. They said, we'll do like this, we'll do like many things. 2 hours. They were just arguing. Children are there, grandchild is there. How can you not do? I said, no. I was crying, but yet my children, myself, and my 2 cousin sisters and my son-in-laws, they stood by me. They said, no, how they want it, we'll do like that only. You can ask everybody. I did not do, I said only one tikka, and if anybody could put flowers, should be.
Wow.
We had decided, even for me, I've told my children, the day I'll go, no rituals, no Brahman, nothing. Just send us happily. So this is the actually important thing, I just forgot to tell you.
It is very important how we go.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. I didn't want any.
Okay. Now I would like to request Mr. Vijay Balekar
Yes, true.
to please come on and sing that favorite song of his, famous, for which he is very famous, Begin the Begin. Friends, अगर आप लोग आंख बंद करके बैठे हैं तो you will not realize कि it is him singing. You will feel कि ये जो बाबा के अमर तिथि पे जो रिकॉर्ड बजती है वही रिकॉर्ड चालू हो गई यहाँ पे. He sings it that well, according to me.
True.
Please
Thank you.
go ahead and sing your Begin the Begin. Thank you.
When we begin, the begin, it brings back a sound of music so tender. It brings back an uncomfortable splendor. It brings back a memory evergreen. I with you once more under the stars, and down by the shore an orchestra's playing, and even the heart seems to be saying, when they begin, the begin, to live it again is past all endeavor, except when the tune clutches my heart, and there we are, spirit to love forever, promising ever, never to part. What moments divine, what raptures serene. The clouds came along to disperse the joy we had tasted. And now when I hear people curse the joy that was wasted, I know but too well what they mean. So don't let them begin the begin. Let the love that was once a fiery man and ember, let it sleep like the dead desire. I only remember when they begin the begin. Oh yes, let them begin the begin. Make them pray till the stars that were there before turn above you. Till you whispered to me once more, darling, I love you. And we suddenly know what heavens we were in, and they begin the begin. When they begin the begin. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय.
Sir, you will have to come on one of the Thursday meetings
Sure.
and share your stories and your singing.
Oh,
Okay.
he's got that.
Only if you promise to be accompanied by this lady next to you.
Yeah, she's always there. Without her permission, I don't leave the home.
Shabazz. All men say the same thing.
Yeah. That's the life and wife.
I was observing कि वो इतने she was enjoying this song so nicely, so very nicely. वो मुंडी हिला के begin. I said, Madam, you are very fortunate to have this husband singing such romantic songs.
Actually, she was not, means earlier, she had no idea about singing. Now she started singing, she sings, and she inducted into Baba completely. Kavita ji knows.
Yes.
थोड़ी देर में she will sorry थोड़ी दिनों में she will overtake you.
Oh yeah, yeah. I wish. Yeah.
Okay. It's exactly 7 o'clock. Baba believed in punctuality. So we would like to end this program. क्या बोले? What can I say?
Good meeting each other. Happy to.
बस बाबा को हमेशा के लिए अपने साथ रखिए और दुनिया में जो कुछ भी होना है वो होवे, बाबा की दामन हम कभी न छोड़े। अवतार मेहर बाबा
की जय।
Now we should be doing prayers and aarti, and then we will disperse. After the prayers, there will be a minute's silence, and then we'll depart. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। हे परवरदिगार, सबके राखनहार और सबकी रक्षा करने वाले, तुम्हारा कोई आदि नहीं है और न तुम्हारा कोई अंत है। तुम अद्वैत हो, तुम तुलना से परे हो और तुम्हारा पार कोई नहीं पा सकता है। तुम्हारा कोई रंग और कोई रूप नहीं है। तुम आविर्भाव से रहित हो और तुम गुणातीत हो। तुम अपार हो और अगाध हो, कल्पना और धारणा से परे हो, शाश्वत और अनश्वर हो। तुम अखंडनीय हो और दिव्य नेत्रों के सिवाय और किसी भी प्रकार से तुम्हें कोई नहीं देख सकता है। तुम्हारा अस्तित्व सदैव था, तुम सदैव रहते हो और तुम सदैव रहोगे। तुम सर्वत्र हो, तुम हर वस्तु में हो और तुम हर जगह से परे तथा हर वस्तु से परे भी हो। तुम आकाश में हो और पाताल में हो। तुम व्यक्त हो और अव्यक्त हो। तुम सब लोगों पर हो और समस्त लोगों से परे भी हो। तुम तीनों भुवनों में हो और तीनों भुवनों से परे भी हो। तुम अगोचर हो और स्वतंत्र हो। तुम सृष्टि के रचने वाले हो, स्वामियों के स्वामी हो, समस्त मनों और हृदयों के ज्ञाता हो। तुम सर्वशक्तिमान हो और सर्वव्यापी हो। तुम अनंत ज्ञान हो, अनंत शक्ति हो और अनंत आनंद हो। तुम ज्ञान के महासागर हो, सर्वयज्ञ हो, अनंत ज्ञान रखने वाले हो। तुम भूत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के ज्ञाता हो और तुम स्वयं ज्ञान हो। तुम पूर्ण दयामय हो और सदैव हितकारी हो। तुम आत्माओं की आत्मा हो और अनंत गुणों से संपन्न एक परमात्मा हो। तुम सत्य, ज्ञान और परमानंद की त्रिमूर्ति हो। तुम सत्य के मूल हो, प्रेम के महासागर हो। तुम सनातन सत्ता हो, ऊंचों में सबसे ऊंचे हो। तुम प्रभु और परमेश्वर हो। तुम परब्रह्म हो और परात्परिक परब्रह्म भी हो। तुम परब्रह्म परमात्मा हो, अल्लाह हो, इलाही हो, यज़दान हो, अहरुमज़द हो और प्रियतम ईश्वर हो। तुम्हारा नाम यजद अर्थात एकमात्र पूज्य है। हे असीम दया के निधि प्रभुराज, हम अपने सब पापों के लिए पश्चाताप
हे असीम दया के निधि प्रभुराज, हम अपने सब पापों के लिए पश्चाताप करते हैं। हर एक विचार के लिए जो असत्य, अनुचित या गंदा था, हर एक बोले हुए शब्द के लिए जिसे बोलना हमें उचित न था, और हर एक कर्म के लिए जिसे करना हमें उचित न था। स्वार्थ से प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए तथा द्वेष प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए हम पश्चाताप करते हैं। विशेषकर हर एक कामुक विचार तथा क्रिया के लिए, ऐसे हर एक वचन के लिए जिसको हमने पूरा नहीं किया, और सभी निंदा, पाखंड, दंभ या लोगों के पीछे उनके दोष बताने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। खासकर दूसरों का नाश करने वाले हर एक कर्म के लिए, दूसरों को दुख देने वाले हर एक शब्द तथा कर्म के लिए, तथा दूसरों पर दुख गिरने की इच्छा करने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। हे प्रभुराज, आप हम पर असीम दया करके हमारे ये किए हुए पापों को क्षमा कीजिए, और वैसे ही आपकी मर्जी के अनुसार विचार करने में, बोलने में तथा कार्य करने में जो हमारी असमर्थता सदा रहती आई है, उसको भी क्षमा कीजिए। यही हमारी आपसे प्रार्थना है। आमीन। प्रियतम परमात्मा, हमारी ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम तुझसे अधिक का अधिक प्रेम करें, और अधिक और अधिक, और फिर भी उससे भी अधिक प्रेम करें, जब तक कि हम तुझ में मिलकर एक हो जाने के पात्र बन जाए। और तू हम सबकी ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम अंत अंत तक प्रियतम बाबा का दामन दृढ़ता से पकड़े रहे। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
हो जावे नार जहलत नी कर खुद रत्ने फरमा तू छलागी आश भक्तों ने की बख्शे नूरे मातू हयामुर शद मेहर बाबा चरण पर तुझ न धरिए सर छे तुझ साथ थी वाकिफ थई बे थो मेहर बातू तू छे मां लिख हकीकत नो तू आशिक बीने आरिफी तू छे दरी या वहदत मारिफत नो ओ ही तूफातू हमोर है रवे सालिक बख्शे ज्ञान इज़्ज़तनु के तू पर महात्मा ज्ञानी छने मुख तारे पातु खुदाना प्रेम नो प्यालो पिलावी मस्त हमने कर छे तुझ पर जान सदके साखिया पी दे पैमातु हमार हर दरिए तरावे तो हमें करिए हमारा ना खुदाए मेहर बाबा छनिगे बात हमारा ना खुदाए मेहर बाबा छनिगे बातू बुझावे नार जहलत नी कर खुद रात ने फरमातू छलागी आश भक्तों ने की बख्शे नूरे ईमान अवतार मेहर बाबा
बाबा
की
का
जय।
परम
Oh, glorious, eternal, ancient one, your face is a bright, transcendental sun, lighten this dark world and the tears I weep. My heart may give to you to keep. Creator, yet creationless you are. Truth and truth's body, divine avatar. Who through compassion the three worlds maintains. Destroy this ignorance that life sustains. These five lights are the whirling spokes of breath of the world's wheel that bears me unto death. Unless you who are infinitely kind, break the wheels of each conditioned mind. These incenses, my love, these feed my art, which to please you I have shaped from my heart. Accept them as you would a simple flower that has no use beyond its shining eye. You are myself, I sing to you in praise, and beg your Lord to bear me through the days, till you, the ever-living, perfect one, illume my darkness with your shining sun. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। थैंक यू बाबा। Friends, now we conclude our program, and until we meet again, keep Baba with you. Thank you.